Hello everyone, today we're gonna show you how to prepare a creamy strained yogurt dip called Labneh. This is probably the easiest way to get yourself a healthy, high-protein breakfast. In this video you'll learn how to make Labneh starting from yogurt, and we'll show you 3 different ways to enjoy it. So stick around, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to get notified every time we post a new video. Now let's get to it. To start, we'll grab a medium-sized bowl and lay a cheesecloth on top. Now this you can easily order online for real cheap or find them at big supermarkets. And now for the yogurt. It's really important to start with the best quality, full-fat, organic, life culture yogurt that you can find. If you can get your hands on goat yogurt, that makes for the best Labneh, as it is richer, sharper, and tangier. Today we are using cow yogurt, which is just as delicious. We're gonna pour in 1 kilogram of yogurt inside our cheesecloth. Bring the ends of the cheesecloth together and tie a knot to hold the yogurt in like that. You'll immediately see some liquid starting to drip from the cheesecloth. This is basically the liquid whey in the yogurt. Let's move over to the kitchen sink and tie our pouch to the faucet. We're gonna let it hang overnight to strain. Basically, we're using its weight to strain the liquid whey out. You can control the consistency of your Labneh by increasing or decreasing the time it's left suspended from the faucet. We left ours hanging overnight for about 8 to 10 hours. Next day, as you can see, the yogurt has released a lot of liquid. We'll untie this from the faucet and head over to open the pouch and get the Labneh out into a bowl. Now, strained yogurt or Labneh is probably one of the most classic Levantine breakfasts. Due to its resemblance to cream cheese, Labneh is often confused with cheese, but it's not. As you saw, it's really just strained yogurt. Labneh has the tartness of yogurt, which makes it so refreshing. Compared to cream cheese, this has less calories, less fat, and higher protein. Our Labneh is now ready. We started with 1 kilogram of yogurt and we ended up with about half a kilo of Labneh. We'll season with a teaspoon of fine salt and mix well to combine. It's nicely seasoned, dense, and thick with a rich, tangy flavor. You can store your Labneh in the fridge for about a week. Now, Labneh pairs very well with both savory and sweet flavors. Today, we'll share with you guys Labneh 3 ways: 2 savory and 1 sweet. First one is the classic version. This is probably the most famous, most common way of having Labneh in the Levant, alongside some fresh tomatoes, cucumber, mint, and olives. Just spread some Labneh nicely on a plate, make some grooves, and drizzle with extra virgin olive oil. Add a sprig of mint. Lovely. Now for the second dip, we'll start again with some Labneh. Add a tiny bit of minced garlic, not too much, not to overpower it, and about a teaspoon of dried mint. Now mix. Since this is a serious YouTube channel and we care about aesthetics, we're gonna transfer it to another plate, make some nice grooves, and drizzle with extra virgin olive oil. And now for the sweet version. Spread the Labneh on a plate, add some coarsely chopped pistachios, some diced dried apricots, and mix. Again, aesthetics. Now finish off with a drizzle of good honey. And there you have it, an easy and delicious strained yogurt dip served in 3 different ways. If you want to use it as a spread, we like to top it with some fresh cucumbers, tomatoes, and some mint leaves. Or for the sweet version, you can also add some additional fruits, like slices of fig. You can check out the full recipe and some additional ideas for pairings on our blog Lemon Laimoon, with a link in the description box below. You can also get creative with your pairings, so let us know how you like to have your Labneh in the comment section below. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share your comments, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.